If you're tired of juggling different apps or spreadsheets to manage your finances, Monarch Money might just be what you need. It's a comprehensive tool designed to bring all your financial accounts together into one easy to navigate platform. I'll admit, when I first tried Monarch, I was a little skeptical. There are so many finance apps out there after all. But Monarch really impressed me by how seamlessly it brings everything together. First, let's talk about how Monarch tracks your money. You can sync your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, loans, and even your real estate with ease. That alone is a game changer for people like me who need a single, clear snapshot of their financial life. Monarch categorizes all your transactions automatically, saving you the time and headache of manual input. The app does a great job of organizing spending and categorizing it, making it easy to track your day-to-day expenses and see where your money is going. One of Monarch's standout features is its budgeting tools. Unlike many apps that force you into rigid categories, Monarch offers flexibility so you can create a budget that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. Whether you prefer the structure of traditional category budgeting or the freedom of flex budgeting, Monarch lets you decide. Plus, the dashboard is fully customizable, so you can prioritize the financial insights that matter most to you. It also has this cool feature that allows you to plan for bigger goals like saving for a house or planning a vacation while tracking your regular expenses. Another big plus for Monarch is the collaboration feature. If you're managing money with a partner, this app lets you easily share and track progress on budgets, goals, and financial tasks. It's super helpful for couples who want to stay on the same page without the awkward money conversations. You can even invite financial professionals like a tax advisor or planner to give you expert advice right in the app. It's all about making sure you're not managing your finances alone. Now, for the drawbacks, no app is perfect. Monarch's subscription pricing might be a bit steep for some. You'll pay $14.99 per month or $99.99 annually, which is on the higher end for personal finance apps. But considering the features it offers, like advanced budgeting, goal tracking, real-time syncing with thousands of institutions, and a truly ad-free experience, it feels worth it, especially if you value privacy and data security. There's also a 7-day free trial, so you can test it out before committing. What I really appreciate about Monarch is its commitment to user privacy. Unlike some free finance apps, Monarch doesn't sell your data or bombard you with ads. This gives you a much cleaner, more focused experience. Your data is securely synced with the app, and Monarch has bank-level security, ensuring that your sensitive information stays safe. In summary, Monarch Money offers an impressive set of tools that can make managing your finances feel less like a chore and more like a manageable, even rewarding task. Whether you're looking to track spending, plan for big goals, or collaborate with a partner, Monarch's clean design and customizable features have a lot to offer. Yes, it does come with a price tag, but for the level of control, privacy, and ease it provides, it could be a solid investment for anyone serious about their financial future.